Today I'm sharing how I used stencils, inks, ovals, pastels, and stickers in some projects as part of the Craft with 5 collaboration. Hey, it's Beth. Welcome. This is the Craft with 5 challenge that I sponsor that gives you 5 prompts each month, and you can create any type of project, any type of crafty project, as long as you use those 5 items on the same project. So there is a playlist linked in the description box below for you for this month's participants. And this month, the prompts are ovals, pastels, stencils, stickers, and inks. So you have to use all 5 of those items in some form on your project. I had this Hello Spring, what's left of this Hello Spring collection on my desk, and thought since it meets at least 2 of the items, pastels and stickers, that I would work on finishing off this collection and see what I could finish off using the Craft with 5 prompts. So I have almost 4 full sheets of patterned paper left. Most of the sheet of stickers, a bunch of scraps, some cut aparts. But here's another sheet of cut aparts. And that's a pattern. I had already used the cover sheet. It had cut aparts on the back. So I've already dove into that. Like these were cut aparts that just had a pattern on it, but they were part of the, or this one was anyway, part of the cover sheet. So, but it is Hello Spring by Echo Park, and so I just need to bring in some ovals, stencils, and inks, and then we'll see how many cards I can create using this collection and those other prompts. All right, I managed to make 5 cards using ovals, but then I also decided to, this wasn't in my original plan, but I did decide to do a scrapbook page just because I wanted to use up some more of the paper. So this is this is the girls' spring recital. And so I have stencils here in the top left and bottom right corner. And that is the Craft and Kimmy Musical Melodies stencil, and I just use some spun sugar distress ink with that. So that's my ink and stencil. Stickers, I have letter stickers spelling out spring and recital, and then I have several sticker clusters on the page. Pastels are kind of multiple places, flowers, and then my ovals. So I think that covered, I didn't even need flowers. Oval, pastel, stencil, stickers, and ink. So I thought about trying my hand at doing a stitched oval, but I don't know, I was in a hurry and I kind of chickened out because I didn't want to have to redo it. So I just went with a die cut oval frame. And then I got 5 cards, and let's see. We'll start with this one. This one I used a butterfly stencil from Scrapping for Less along with the picked raspberry distress oxide, and then die cut it into a stitched oval. So that's the ink stencil die cut. I've got pastels in here, and then my sticker is the Hello Sunshine. On these 3, I guess, I used the Perfectly Plaid stencil from Not Too Shabby Shop, and this one was the picked raspberry, but I used it. I didn't clean it after I had used the evergreen bough, and so it kind of came out with a purpley color instead of this bright pink that it was here. And I wasn't really sorry about that. I kind of liked that color. So that's the stencil and the ink I used. We've got the pastels and the papers. Stickers are the butterflies and the thank you. And then the oval is the pattern paper and then the frame. That's just a get stitched scallop oval. This one, the sticker is this floral piece right here, and then it's on the oval. Just a white oval die cut. This one, it's the white oval with the pattern paper oval, and then the butterfly sticker, and then the thank you sticker. And this sticker came from the sticker sheet. These I think came in an old Scrapping for Less spring themed kit. They've been in my stash for a while and they don't have the packaging anymore. And then on this last one, I used a little piece left over from my butterfly stencil piece here. And then my oval is in my sentiment down here, or is with my sentiment down here, and then the things is a sticker. So that is how I incorporated stencils, ink, ovals, pastels, and stickers in my projects for this month. So again, please be sure to check out the playlist to see the other participants and how they incorporated those 5 things in their projects. And if you would like to play along, there is also a link to my blog post that has the schedule of all the monthly prompts and themes, and you are welcome to play along as well. I will list the stencils and the inks that I use in the description box if you care about that. But otherwise, I thank you so much for your time, and I hope you all have a very crafty day.